Hey everyone, it's Brandon. An ideal laptop's docking station will turn your laptop into a portable powerhouse. Whether you're constantly on the move or leaving it at home, you'll want to make the most out of your laptop when it's sitting on your desk, especially if you don't have enough ports. With a laptop's docking station, you can attach the system to multiple monitors and a wide variety of peripherals with additional USB ports. Connecting all kinds of ports can be a hassle. The second generation MSI docking station lets you reduce all wire plugins into just one. It saves both yours and the IT department's time and energy. We'll be going through some features of the MSI USB-C docking station Gen 2, including the design, I/O ports, display matrix, MAC address pass-through, and PXE Wake on LAN. Without further ado, let's get started. The dimensions of the MSI docking station are 165 millimeters in length, 80 millimeters in width, and 30 millimeters in height. The size is quite small, similar to a flagship smartphone, and fits anywhere on your desk. It can be used both vertically with the stand or lying down horizontally without the stand. The corners of the docking station are rounded to make it easier to fit your working environment. Let's check out the I/O port availabilities. Along the front side, you have two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, a USB 2.0 Type A, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C. Also, one audio combo jack and a power button with LED indicator. If you have to leave your seat, simply press the button and your laptop will switch into standby mode with the docking station to save power. Along the back side, you have a DisplayPort USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port with display supported, an HDMI, a gigabit LAN port, DC in port, a USB Type-C cable, and a port for the Kensington lock. This USB Type-C cable allows you to connect to the laptop to deliver up to 100 watts PD charging. It can power most laptops that support USB-C charging in the market. Setting it up is really simple. Just plug the adapter in and connect your docking station to the laptop with the USB Type-C cable. Remember to connect the Type-C cable to the USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with display, aka Alt Mode, or Thunderbolt, to enjoy the full functionality of the MSI docking station. Next, we will introduce the combination of the ports for displays, which includes the DisplayPort, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with display, and an HDMI port. The capability of video output may vary by the different specifications of USB Type-C port that is on your laptop. When you are only connecting one monitor, you can use any one of them and get the video output performance up to full HD at 360 Hz or 4K Ultra HD at 120 Hz. When you want to connect two monitors, you can use any two of these ports and get the video output performance of up to 4K Ultra HD at 60 Hz. When you use all three ports on the docking station, it will be able to support video output performance of up to 4K Ultra HD at 30 Hz on each monitor. Some business and education networks use a MAC address to give a set of specific systems access to their network and the internet. Usually connecting a docking station to the internal network may create issues with accessing certain applications and services. MSI's docking station supports MAC address pass-through, letting you connect to an internal network with a virtual or specific MAC address allowed by your IT manager. This feature is only for laptops with a specific driver and MAC address pass-through supported BIOS. Wake on LAN is a protocol made possible by the sending of so-called magic packets from a client to a remote device, then powering on the system. The only requirement for operating Wake on LAN over the internet is that your laptop is connected to a power source and is connected to the internet via a network cable. When your laptop encounters a problem and is in need of support from the IT department, they can simply use the PXE tool and Wake on LAN feature to assist you even when your laptop is in standby mode. This all comes down to if your laptop supports this feature. The MSI USB-C docking station maximizes your productivity by connecting up to 3 external 4K Ultra HD displays and centralizing many other ports. It also supports 100-watt full power delivery. The docking station delivers full performance even when all ports are occupied. Use the MSI docking station in your office with peace of mind. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.